Hey there, welcome back to the channel. In the previous video, we were working on realloc function. So that's what we are going to working on. That's what we will work on today. Oh my English is bad. But okay, let's get started. I just noticed one thing, which is oh shit, I messed up. Okay, get.c. If I go over here, so take a look at this function. See this. This function is similar to this function. Well, it's not function, this part of the code. It's similar. So I'm thinking of like reducing some number of lines and just creating a new function. So void pointer, this will be called split block. So what split block does is that split block takes a block pointer, which will be, yeah, okay. So let's call it header block itself, and it will take int new size about that. Well, not int, but size t size. Cool. And I'll just copy most of the code from over here. So let's say this size t difference is equal to block size minus aligned size. Cool. And we will just cdt boom boom boom. Cool. Total split is difference. And I guess just the rest of the thing is same. So okay, so useful space is determined by um, what should we say? We do need both of the things, right? So total, oh my bad. Okay, so total split. We don't need total split anymore. We just need useful space. Okay, we move by align size, which is the size that we want for our block. Yeah, let's say allocated size. Allocated size will be the new size now. And the what do we call it? Split block size. What should we call it? So this is difference. We'll also send in the difference. So difference will be useful space. Yeah. Not that, but yeah. Let's send in difference. So over here, size t difference. Cool. So here we will do some tinkering, sprinkling. We'll take most of this block. So let's say we take useful space. Useful space is just total split instead of total split. This is difference. This is allocated. Yeah, allocated thing is pretty much the same. Most of the things over here are same. So we'll just copy it. If I look at this code, this is also pretty much the same. Yeah, new header, new footer, new and then split. Yep. I should also do it new, right? Let's do it allocated H, allocated F. So it's not free block anymore, it is just block and header plus allocated size. Yeah, Cool. Okay. So we'll just move this together and we will make this or to make it easy. See, it looks like it looks pretty similar. Yeah. So we have useful space, same. We get the align size. Why did we move by a pointer ahead? Wait, here we did not move by pointer ahead. So this is pointer. Yeah, correct. Even here we shouldn't be moving ahead by pointer. Free block, correct. And then allocated footer is free block plus header plus align size. So I should get the pointer. Oh, that is confusing. That is confusing. But okay, okay. Let's do it. Let's still do it. Let's do it still. So allocated header, allocated footer. So this is cool. So here we expect the block that we like the pointer that we get is actually the start of the block, not the space. So okay, calculate size. Yep, this is pretty much the same. And then the split thing. So split header, split footer. Yep, allocated footer plus footer. Yeah, allocated footer plus footer. Split header plus useful space. Split header plus useful space. Perfect. Split header plus header plus useful space. Okay. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Yeah, okay. So split header size is useful space. Yeah, this is cool too. And then we just do this. Next and previous. So split header next is three pointers. Previous is null. And then also copy this. Oh wait, I can paste this there. But I can using this, right? Sorry, my bad. Yep. So this is void pointer, so I need to return. So I have to return the pointer of the space where the allocated space starts, right? So allocated header plus, okay, yeah, yeah. So void pointer allocated space is equal to void pointer char pointer allocated header plus header, and then we return allocated space. Cool. So let's use this function. So we need to pass difference. So if this is fine, then we call the function split block. I think we already have a function called split block, right? No? Okay, cool, cool. So yeah, um, so this is what we are going to call. So split block, we pass. First of all, block here is supposed to be the pointer where this entire block starts. So the entire block starts at free block, so that's what we will pass. Then allocated size, which is supposed to be align size, and then the difference. Yeah, difference is correct. So cool. And now we don't need any of these things. And whatever value we get, void pointer, void pointer allocated space. Yeah, this is just allocated space. Sorry, I'm really sorry. So yeah, this is perfect. Moving ahead by allocated pointer, return space. Yeah, perfect. Sorry, not over here. This is what I meant. Yeah, okay, cool. So okay, this works. This is fine. And now, um, yep, this is fine. Hmm. Okay, so this is cool. Should we do it like this? So like void pointer allocated space equal to null. This looks okay, right? Yeah, okay. So let's change one more thing. Oh no, okay. Ah, where is the function? Oh my God. Bruh, bruh, what is that? Bruh, bruh. Okay, so we have to write everything again. That's cool. It's fine. It's because I'm keeping the two tabs open. So that's yeah, okay. It's fine. Let's we can do that again. We can even do it better. Void pointer split block. Sorry, split block. I'm audible. Yeah, I'm audible. 14 minutes in. That's fine. So split block. We first get pointer to the block itself. We also get allocated size, and then we get a difference. So let's go ahead. Let's copy some stuff. So here we wrote size to difference is block size minus a line size, is it? Yeah. And here we just write difference. So dt boom boom boom. Cool. So okay, this is fine. Okay. So we copy most of the stuff from over here till over here. Yep, perfect. And we just paste it. Perfect. So size to useful space is difference minus header minus footer, allocated header, allocated footer. Well, much more. Yeah, okay. Let's still keep it. Yeah, okay. And this is not free block anymore. It is just block, and align size is actually allocated size. Hmm, allocated size. Replace with all. Allocated size. Replace with all. Move this above. Name it header. HF. H F. Oh no. H. So yeah, perfect. Boom. 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 Useful space is perfect. Boom. Oh, boom. 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 So split. Yeah, this is perfect. And then we have to add it to the. There was a four-line code inside the realloc function that I wrote. Let's go to realloc. Yep, over here. Oh, we have to only copy this. Uh, yeah, and then there will be my malloc. Yeah, perfect. And then we'll do void pointer. Allocated space is actually void pointer, char pointer, allocated header plus header itself, and then we return allocated space. Nice. Free pointer, previous split header, and free pointer split. Yeah, perfect. So I don't think we are forgetting anything. So yep, let's go. Yep, let's get going. So how many places did we use difference at all? No, so nowhere. So we should directly get useful space from over here, right? Useful space. Yeah, okay. So here the useful space is. Oh, sorry. We should. It will be better if we calculate it ourselves. Difference. Yeah, perfect. So we don't need much of this stuff anymore. except a function called void pointer allocated space, or just allocated space as we decided, is equal to split block. It takes in the start of the block, and then it takes in two values, size two values. So first one was, what was it? I can't remember. Oh, it was allocated size, right? Yeah, aligned size, and then difference. Perfect. And now we don't need any of this stuff anymore. Void pointer allocated space is equal to null. Okay, so this is fine. So we have a split block function which can be used for realloc 2. So we will also remove the realloc stuff. Yeah. So here we just need to pass difference. So let's do it. So allocated as, it will be void pointer. It will be split block. It takes in the start of the block. So we can just pass a block to it. And then it takes in align size, which is the allocated size of the block. No, I mean, yeah, the block that needs to be the size that the allocated block needs. And then difference. Perfect. And we don't need this anymore. Boom. So much space left now. And we just return this allocated space. Sorry. So, okay. So, I guess we pretty much reduce a lot of stuff. What's the damage? Hmm. Yeah, let's commit this. Um, what is it called? Like when we reuse the function. Reusability, I guess. Modularizing code. Yep, we can do that. So, does it work though? Yeah, let's test that. So, my malloc is fine. We just need to comment out the my realloc, like this one. Oh, it's align size. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 248, 248. Yeah, okay. And 253 has allocator S. Yep, pretty much nothing. It wasn't used. 260. Oh, yeah, yeah. I like it when they do this. It's like, okay, so this should work. It's not C checks, but just verbose. Yep, it works. The same old, same old. Okay, nothing much. Then driver checks also has all of it fails. And if I do just this, yep, all of them run. So that's fine. So yeah, just a minute. Okay, hey there, back again. So yeah, yes, it's working. So we don't have anything much. So yeah, so we have a little bit of modular code. Let's commit that, you know. Let's do some change, which is the my realloc that was commented. Yeah, this needs to be uncommented again. So get make clean, get status, get diff is we remove this. Yeah, okay, we added a difference. We remove this. We remove this inside my malloc, so that's correct. And then yep, correct. And we also remove inside my realloc. So this is correct too. Yeah, it's perfect. So yeah, I guess it's done. So one more thing, now that I think of it. So my realloc, what it returns is the allocated space, right? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. It's fine. That's what we were returning over here too. So yeah, I guess it's fine. So my realloc earlier had just a minute. Hey there, back again. So yeah, yes, it's fine that it's working. So yep, that is it. We were returning the allocated space over here, allocated pointer. if the difference is greater than zero. Yeah, I guess. Okay, okay. Yeah, yeah, fine, 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 fine. So let's commit this. This is done. So what will we say? So we can say modularizing. What is the spelling of modularizing? It's a British and like UK, US and UK, right? Is the standard word, and modularize is the British spelling. Yeah, let's use this L1. Modularizing code, improving code reusability. Yeah, the branch was correct, right? Yeah, we'll get push. Three commits ahead, improving code reusability. That's perfect. So yeah, oh, 39 lines and 58 changed here. Nice. Okay, I'm some level of 10x developer or two. There's a meme like 10x developers don't write code; they reduce the number of lines of code. So it's like that. Okay. Let's keep on going. So yeah, let's go. So we go over here. So we have done this left free and right free. Yeah, yeah, perfect. So we did this where neither the left one is free and neither the right one is free. So this is 26 minutes video. We at least need to cover both of like we need to end realloc right now, right? You know, we should end it right now. How do we do that? How do we do that? How do we do that? Just making the code look prettier. Yeah, we can do that some other day. Not today though. Now here we need to add a condition, which is this, else if else if the left free is present. So left free block. So the left one is a free block and the right one isn't, right? If left one is indeed a, you know, allocated one, is it enough? Then we have to check like is the left block enough? So let's write a function. Skip block, split block. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Void pointer. Yeah, let's write a function called void left block. Yeah. What it does is that it takes an address of the current pointer, you can say. So this will be left block, and it will also take in a size t value pointer, left block size, and it will just return that. So it takes, yeah, it also needs a void pointer, right? So void pointer. So void pointer is the space one, right? Yeah, it's a space one. And what kind of do we need over here? So here we are dealing with PTR. PTR also is a space one. Yeah, perfect. So what it will do is that it will calculate these stuff. Yeah, let's think about all of these things later on. Right now we should be working on yeah. We will modularize the code afterwards. Let's first do the fastest implementation. So now we know left block is free. So let's get the pointer to the left block first. So left block pointer is, let's say, left left block is equal to header block pointer char pointer. So this is pointer minus header. So that's perfect. Um, and then let's get the left block size. So size t left size is equal to left block size. So we now know the left block size. So the left block size is definitely free. So if both of them are merged, yeah. So size t merge size is equal to left size plus r block size, which is this one, I guess. Yep, it's this one. So block size difference, the difference is fine. Yeah, okay. Block size. Also, we won't need header and footer because there are two headers and two footers, so we will also eat up the middle ones. So we will eat up the left block's footer and the current block's header to make the larger block. So yeah, merge size. So if merge size, hmm, if merge size is we are going to the same thing again. So again, should we calculate the difference again? Hmm. Size t difference, block size. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's copy this stuff. Yeah, okay. So the difference is block size minus not block size but merged size minus align size. And if the difference is greater than, we do need some code change, right? Let's keep on going. So new difference. Let's call it new difference. New difference. New difference. Oh, sorry. Hmm. We need to modularize code, right? We should do it right now. So the thing is that we are going to need this thing again and again. So what this does is that allocate a new block. It asks my malloc for a block and then copies it. What should we call it though? 44 minutes in. That's fine. We can do this all day. No, we can't. But okay. Um, So let's call it no block found, right? So first we are going to check not appropriate size. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Let's call it not appropriate size. So what it will do, it will return a pointer. I guess, yeah, 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 it will return a pointer. So new pointer is yeah, void. It's a void pointer. Yeah, yeah, perfect. So void pointer, no block found. It takes in the no block found should take in what should it take in? Well, it shouldn't take in anything except align size, right? That's what we need. Align size, new pointer edge. It will copy itself. Yeah, yeah, perfect. So it will only take in size. Let's call it size. So yeah, and we just copy this stuff. Copy, paste, equal to. Wait, this is my fee. Yeah, no blip form. Okay, so yep, this is okay. New pointer, new pointer s. Hmm, s pointer. Yeah, perfect. My malloc does return none, right? Just in case. Yeah, okay. Okay. Uh, what should we call it? We can just call it modularizing code, right? We haven't done much of the stuff. Just converted this and added else if. Almighty elk. So no block found. We can go over here. We can remove this. Return no block found. Aligned size. Oh, that's nice. And then over here, we can check like if merged size is greater than or equal to align size. If it's greater than or equal to align size, then we need to do the split block logic, right? So not split block, what was it? Split block. Split block takes in a void pointer, which is left block, Yeah, it should be left block, right? Hmm. Pointer minus header, pointer left block free. Wait, what? What did I do just here, just now? What is this? This is block. Current block, header footer. Hmm. Yeah, let's make functions. So we can write better functions over here. So we will be modularizing it. So yeah. So void pointer. This is simply void. So current block. So this will take in header block pointer to pointer. Here we will return. Yeah, we are given a void pointer over here. Then header block pointer for header simply, and then footer block pointer for footer simply. So we are given a pointer. So pointer is the start of the block. So header block pointer block the same stuff over here. Instead of -1, we should do and 1. Yep, this is perfect. So hmm, we don't need this. We just need to dereference header and store it over there. And then the same goes for block size. Wait, I haven't stored that, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay. Um, yeah, let's also do the size one. No, they can do it themselves. So block size is fine. And to get the footer now, so the footer block pointer. This is temporary. I know this will clash. I know. Just give me a minute. Get pointer pointer. So this is pointer plus block size, and it's perfect. Coalescing R. Yeah. Okay. 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 Hmm. 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 Yeah. Let's do the dereference one. So dereference header should have this value casted into inside it, and then dereference header size. Yeah. So dereferenced header size and one is block size. So this is done, and now we can add the final one. So header is equal to block, and footer is equal to footer block char pointer plus block size. Okay, that's fine, right? We can remove this now, pointer plus block size. So this is for the current block. Let's do it for the left block. Okay, same thing. Header block pointer to pointer header, and footer block pointer to pointer footer. Sorry, to get the current values, I can just go over here and do current header, current header. Yeah, just give me a minute. I've been mute this whole time. That's crazy. But okay, let's get going. So, yeah, we have right sizes over here. Block is fine. Yeah, we don't need all of this anymore. We will move this down. So this is a right header. 3 pointer is fine. Mm, the right block size, we don't need this. This should be current size, and this should be the right size. Oh, sorry. Yep. Same goes over here. That's fine. This is fine. Header, footer, header, footer. Yeah, also the bottom. What the what current header with coalescing R, right? So for coalescing R, yeah. Yeah. Current head and right foot. Total size, current footer, left head, perfect. And for this, left head, right foot. Nice. So this is working. This should work, I hope. So let's comment out our real look. Get status. Let's make it. Yeah, there are some errors. So let's figure this out. Block size and one. Line 316. Yeah, it's supposed to be current head. Current head. Then current size 329. 329. Yep. And then block. So new header block 418. Let's look at 418. Hmm. Yeah, this should be current head. Block F. This is nothing. This is block 418 again. We fixed that already. Align size, undeclared align size 455. Align size is not declared. No block found. This should be the size that we are looking for. So yes, this is fine. New pointer return null. Did you mean new pointer? Where did you see that? New pointer 456. Yeah, that's what I meant. Okay, let's check how many errors. So one warning, 11 errors is now 10 errors. Okay, current edge, redefinition of current edge with a different type size t, aka. Okay, current header, box size, and one. This should be current size. Yeah. 316. Yeah, this should be current size. Wait, why is it block? This should be current header. Yeah, this is done. 10 errors is now 8 errors. Yeah, sure. Block size, block file, block size. Yeah, this should be current size. 317 again. Current size. Then we have 321, the difference in the value, 321. Yeah, this is current size. And then align size. Align size is not recognized. Use of an undercut. Yeah, yeah, 440, 459. 459. Align size is not used. It's supposed to be, it's just size. Let's see. Okay, mem copy pointer. Use of undeclared stock. Okay. 468, 469. No block font. Yeah, we do need to copy stuff. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, got it, got it, got it, got it. So the stuff that we removed was over. Where was it? No block found. Yeah. So inside no block found, we don't need to specifically. So what we were doing is that we had a pointer value. No block found is part of my free, right? Yeah, yeah. We still need void pointer. There you go. We'll also write this over here. No block. Yeah. So here we will pass in pointer along with it. Then copy block size 468. There is no block size. Hmm. Okay. Block size is supposed to be what is it supposed to be block size? So block size is supposed to be from the current block. Okay. Oh, it's getting tiring a bit. Let me do one thing. Okay. So block size is for the current block. Like how many blocks? Okay, okay. Let me get this. So no block found is when both of the allocated blocks are not free at all. Yeah, both of the allocated blocks are not free at all, and it's greater. So we are supposed to copy the block size, the entire block size, because the new size will be greater. Okay, fine, let's do it. So let's copy this stuff. Current, current. Oh, right. I forgot. It's not supposed to be and one. Damn, I made a I made a big mistake. I should be doing and of negative one. Oh, so many mistakes. Okay, sure. We'll fix that later on. First of all, let's fix this. So this is current footer. The block size is current size, current header size. Yeah. So this is not block size, but rather current size. Yeah, this should work. Block header pointer. Oh, it's header block. My bad. Yep. And if I do this, there should be an error. Yep, there is an error because we did some stupid stuff like over here. This should be this. Yeah, this is fine. Yep. So now it worked. I guess. Yep, nice. And yep, I am. It feels good that it's working. Let's get back to realloc function. How many minutes in? 1 hour 35 minutes in. Let's end this over here. So I guess it's a lot. I will add the rest of the stuff in the. I'll take a break and I will be making another video, but it will be another video. I don't want this video to be a big video. Also, my exam is coming up, my final semester exam. So I'm pre-recording this. Right now, my video number 26 has gone live. Like right now, it's 7:30 right now, and at 7 o'clock it was scheduled. So it will be. It has been like public right now. So I'm pre-recording videos and I'm like scheduling it on days of my exams. So I don't have to worry about the consistency on this YouTube channel in the exam days. So yeah, I guess. Thanks for watching this video. I'm Aditya Pacharne and I'm an engineer for fun. Bye.